see.
Okay. Brush.
Copperson got your camera back.
Yeah, they did, didn't they? Brush Mom's hair. Make it good.
What's these?
What's those? You know what those? Those are brushes. I thought you were doing my hair for me.
Yeah.
Because it was messed up. Oh, that one hurts.
Ah.
Oh, I think you scraped my forehead off. Uh-oh. We lost the brush.
I got it.
Okay, you get it. You get the brush.
Oh, I can't reach it.
Yeah, you better get it. It's down there. Grab it.
That spider get that bush.
That spider did?
I get it.
Okay, hurry up and get it.
That spider.
Is there a spider down there? Oh my god. See that spider?
I get that bush.
You better go get the brush so we can brush Mom's hair.
I get that spider.
You did?
I get that spider. You better.
There's no spider.
I got it.
You got it? Okay, well, go grab the brush.
I get scared. I'm scared.
I'm not scared. Let me get it. I need my hair brushed. Here we go. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, okay. Okay. Brush my hair. Be easy. Jeez, you're doing it for the camera. Jeez. Wow, you're doing a great job. Ow!
Oops, I got stuck in your hair.
Oh man, it's stuck.
I got out.
Good job. Oh my god.
I got out. I got out.
Good work. Be easy now. Oh, jeez.
You feel good?
I feel good. Thank you. Do I look good?
Yeah. Want a picture of me?
Yeah, you're cute. You're a pig? What does Olivia do?
Let's see.
Does she go, ta-da?
No.
What does she do? Does she snort like a pig? Do like Olivia does.
Papa Pig.
Papa Pig? What does Papa Pig do?
Pig.
What does Baby Pig do?
Cause George.
Kobe's George. Where'd you get that from? How does Kobe George? Was that Olivia's little brother's name?
That's funny. Happy fingers. I want to talk to you.
You are talking to me. We were talking about George, remember?
Huh?
George.
What's this going?
You said Kobe was George. What are you doing?
Huh?
Huh?
No. Let's see.
Oh!
Oh, let's see.
We're just watching you. See? Now all you can see is the wall.
Let's see me.
Yeah, you're on here.
Oops. Always this way.